Namaste children, hope you are all safe and sound. I'm going to teach you today another lesson from your English textbook, Unit 1 C Reading, Grand Contest in the Forest. Okay, this is a special competition that happens in a forest between trees, animals and birds. So this is an exciting lesson. It is what is the importance of competition and how we need to prepare for a competition. All that we learn, that is the objective of the lesson. So listen to the lesson carefully, and if you don't understand any line or word or character, please immediately call me and ask for your doubts. Okay, prepare hard words, write the hard words and their meaning in your notebook, and also write the opposites in case if you find. Of course you will find. So children, listen to the lesson carefully and understand it. Okay, and please call me in case if you need any help. Let's start learning this beautiful lesson. Grand Contest in the Forest, Unit 1 C Reading, Class 6th. Okay, it's a competition in the forest. Grand means very fantabulous, fantastic. Contest means competition. So a big contest in the competition. Students, observe this picture. What do you see in the picture? Do you see anything? Yeah, you see elephant, peacock. There is a small one at the right side of the picture. Yeah, that is squirrel. And unseen, there are so many other things also. Of course, trees there, sky is seen, and they are all standing and talking. See, what a kind of variation: an elephant, peacock, and a squirrel. Three different class and kinds of animals got together for talking. Okay, observe that. And do you know these pictures, these trees name? We most often we find them in the gardens or by the side of the road, but most of us do not know the name of these trees. Okay, Gulmohar tree, Palash tree, and Laburnum tree. Kindly observe these names because we find these trees on the roadside. I hope you know this also. Elephant, bear, and what kind of tree down here? It's a mango tree. Okay, what is the bear doing? It's looking for honeybee, right? And mango tree is filled with what? Coconut fruit or mango fruit? Yeah, observe all this, keep it in mind, all these pictures. And what are these? Are they belong to animal kind or bird kind? Yeah, they belong to bird kind. What is the name of the first picture? It is peacock. And the second picture name is sparrow. And the last one down between, that is pigeon. Okay, these are birds. So the whole lesson, if you find, we have animals and at the same time we have birds. And here is a pretty beautiful looking animal, that is squirrel. Even squirrel beautified with a lot of Christmas gifts. There is a cap, right? A beautiful gift is packed with this. Okay, in a competition, what do you get? Do you get a stone? Do you get a punishment in a competition? No. If you win a competition, the competition is for getting the prize, getting a gift. So, grand contest in the forest, a competition for getting a gift. That, where is it happening? Is it happening in your village? No, it's happening in the forest. And what kind of things live in the forest? Observe that. Now, before we learn the lesson, let's concentrate on glossary. Glossary means hard words. Laburnum, a small tree with a group of yellow flowers. Palash, a tree with red flowers. Turquoise, a bluish green color. A blaze, something on fire. Despair, no hope, hopelessness. Balmy, gentle weather. Marveled, filled with wonder. Scampered, run with quick light, steps out of fear. Okay, these are some of the hardest words, and there are also some other hard words which you need to really concentrate. And as you go about learning this lesson, please write all the hard words that you don't understand. And now let's read the text. Okay, it is time, children, that we read the real lesson information. The information is all about the grand contest in the forest. Hope you are understanding. The animals, birds, and trees were excited. We were all excited. The animals, birds, and trees were excited. They began to prepare for the great day when they would give their best to the great one, except the little gray squirrel. So, all the animals, birds, trees were preparing except the little squirrel, which was in gray color. It is not preparing. Okay, everyone is waiting for that big day. Everyone should show something special, and the best one would be praised by the Lord of Fire, Wind, Water, and Sun. So the Panchabhutas will appreciate the best one. The animals and trees began preparation. I will shine like a sparkling sunshine, said the elephant. Gulmara. My flowers look like guided raindrops. The Gulmora said, I will dress myself so that I look like the early morning sun, golden red, spreading radiance. I will offer the best honey I can find, shouted the bear. The elephant said, I will get the best fruit, so fresh it would still be on the branches, and I lay them at her feet. Everyone except a little gray squirrel, who lurked sadly to himself. What does a little squirrel, a gray squirrel with a black strippens, have to offer? The squirrel said, the forest will be, with beauty. Though late, I will. The animals, birds, and trees were excited. They began to prepare for the great day when they would give their best to the great one, except the little gray squirrel. Okay, except small squirrel, all the animals, birds, and trees were preparing for a special competition in the forest. There was happiness in the air, excitement in the happiness. There was going to be a great contest, a big competition. Everyone should show something special, and the best one would be praised by the lords of fire, wind, water, and sun. So these are the gods' names. Who are the gods? Fire, wind, water, and sun. The animals and trees began preparations. I will shine like a sparkling sunshine, said the laburnum. My flowers look like golden raindrops. The Gulmora said, I will dress myself so that I look like the early morning sun, golden red, spreading radiance. So Gulmora said, I will be like a bright sun. I will offer the best honey I can find, shouted the bear. Bear said, I will give the best honey. The elephant said, I will get the best fruit, so fresh it would be as if it is on the branches, and lay them at her feet. Everyone except a little gray squirrel, who talked sadly to himself, what can a little squirrel like me with black stripes have to offer? Okay. That is the kind of. The Gulmora immediately said, the forest will be ablaze with my beauty. Though late, I will save some flowers, and though early, I will make some flowers bloom, snapped the Gulmora. Gulmora season is something else, but Gulmora promises that even I will prepare some flowers for the contest. The beautiful tree and the creatures had started competing and fighting. So all the animals, birds, trees all started. My managers are ready. So my mangoes are ready, announced the mango tree. The peacock said, emeralds and turquoises are my feathers. The lark thrilled. I will sing a song beautiful and moving. See, the peacock started, lark started, mango tree started, blooming the mangoes, and everywhere in the competition there is a preparation. Okay, there is a preparation, right? Yeah, the dove cooed immediately, saying the great one would love her soft notes. See, my voice will be loved by those gods of fire, wind, water, and sun. Gifts and beauty abound, though the squirrel in despair he thought and thought, but I will do what I can do best. So, but the squirrel thought for a while and said, okay, I will do whatever I can. Though I am small, I will do something. He decided. He found hollow branches and filled them with as many nuts and seeds of different trees as he could find. Hollow branches means where there is a hole in a stick. In those holes he started filling lot of nuts. The next day everyone was ready. The great one came. The air became soft and balmy. The streams tinkled as they tumbled over the rocks. There is a flow of water also. Okay, great one. Here is my gift, said each, laying gifts at her feet. After everyone had given their gifts, the great one looked at the little gray squirrel and asked, Little one, why are you quiet? So all the animals, trees, birds offered their gifts, and suddenly the god asked the little squirrel, Where is your gift? Then immediately the squirrel started talking. I have nothing grand to offer you. I don't glow and sing. But what I have I give with my heart. He scampered away. He returned dragging his dry branches. The great one looked grave. Okay. Great one looked grave. I see beauty in form and this one. So in this way he has offered. Now students, whom do you think won the prize? All brought up a beautiful gift, and squirrel also gave the small gift, but the prize goes to the gray squirrel, for I can use the seeds and sow them. Now life will burst forth, trees will bear more fruits. It is a gift not only for today but also for all our tomorrow. See, the squirrel presented something that is useful for the entire generation, present generation and the generation to come, that is future generation, right? So that's why the squirrel got the prize, because if the seeds are given to the god, he can sow the seeds, and those seeds can turn into trees, and in turn they give life, right? So this is the way. The creatures then marveled, saying, How foolish we were to think only of the present. 3 cheers for the littles. All appreciated the squirrel. Now coming to the vocabulary, children, there is a
Thank
big
you, children, for
vocabulary
listening
here.
to this beautiful lesson.
Animals,
Hope the
plants,
lesson is very
and
clear
birds.
for you,
Which are the
and
animals
you become a very competing
plant,
child.
names and birds names mentioned
Always
here.
accept the
Animals,
competition
elephants,
and prepare
squirrel,
for
bear.
your competition.
Plants, Galmora,
That is the thing we need to
Kalash,
learn
mango
from the
tree,
lesson.
laburnum.
Okay,
And
write the question and
birds
answers
name,
by
lark,
looking into
peacock,
your
and
book.
dove. Okay?
If you
And
don't
some of the
have your book,
antonyms you
please
need to
buy
pick from the
buy the
lesson
textbooks
are
and write the
like
question and
early,
answers and prepare
late,
for the exam.
dry,
Okay. Once
wet,
again, if you have any
special,
doubts, please call
ordinary.
me
So
and
these
ask.
are also very,
Okay.
very important, my dear
Thank you,
children,
children.
which you